Hello guys, welcome back to the best crypto channel around the world. My name is Ish. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. So today's video, I'm gonna show you what I just cooked for myself at home, because I came back home and I was hungry and I don't want to eat junk food. So I decided to you know what, let me cook for myself. You know what I mean? And this is what I'm gonna show you right now. It's just what I did. I'm trying to grow a beard. Don't comment about my beard. I know this channel is about crypto, it's about the stock market, but sometimes you gotta have fun with your fans. And remember, always subscribe before we all get into all this stuff that I'm cooking. Because you know what, if you subscribe, I've seen the number is increasing, and guess what? I'll be like, okay, let me make more videos, more information, more fun for everybody. So let me show you what I cooked. So you can see I'm just preparing chicken, but you know, like I've never, known how to prepare good food. But what I did, I got some chicken, and I got some green peppers, I got some tomatoes, I got some squash, the white squash, I got some onions, I got some bell pepper, and I mixed it. So when I mixed it, I put in a little bit of olive oil. I put in a little bit of olive oil, and you can see this thing might be yummy. It's, the reason why I'm saying it's yummy, it might not look good in your eyes, but the important part, this is all organic food. It's organic. Everything is organic. So I decided to make my own food today. Although I'm using a rice cooker to do it, this thing is gonna be good. So I put in a little bit of oil. Like you see, this oil is coming from, I think, olive oil. But guys, sometimes when you have nothing to tell your people in terms of crypto, because right now if I start telling you buy more crypto, and you already know that I told you to buy crypto when it's still low, and we're gonna make it next maybe next quarter or next year, it's a matter of holding and hitting your target. So you gotta show the people that you're living by example. So the food is over there. Remember, you subscribe, like the channel. So if you're at home like me and you don't wanna eat some junk food, just get some chicken, get some green peppers, bell peppers, onions, get some tomatoes, mix it, put it in, because this thing is not like anything like you wanna read a recipe or something. I just did it. As long as it's gonna be well cooked, it's all organic, it's all nutritious, and I'm gonna have fun with it. You know what I mean? Anyway, I hope you guys like the video, share it, and always comment. Love you all. I'll see you again. Bye.